Maya queen, carved into stone over 1,000 years ago. Etruscan noblewoman, her tomb untouched for centuries. Harappan priest, no writing, no name, but his sculpted beard and calm eyes return. Minoan girl, a fresco lost in volcanic ash. Göbekli Tepe man, the world's oldest temple builder. Olmec head, massive, mysterious .A. I transforms the stone back into skin, strong, silent. Sumerian priestess of Uruk, she chanted before gods now gone. They vanished from maps, from memory, but not from humanity.